1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. We're gonna start with the most foundational move, which is your box step. So let's learn that one first all together. We're both gonna do the same step right now, so leaders and followers, just do it with us. So we're both gonna have our weight on the right for now, left foot free, and just imagine you have a box in front of you. And all you're gonna do is step on the corners of the box. Okay, so let's learn it all together. We're gonna go forward, we're gonna go side, and close the feet. Then we're gonna go back with the right, side, close the feet. And that's it. That's the box step. So let's take it now again from the beginning. Forward, side, close, back, side, close. And it's important to remember that we're always going forward with the left leg. We're always going back with the right leg. So if you get confused, just remember that. Yes? One more time. Forward, left, side, close, back with the right, side, close. You can see we're also going up and down a little bit. This is very much what you want to do in the waltz. We call it rise and fall. So we go down on the first step, we go up on the second step, close our feet, and lower. Okay? And then we go down again on the back step, up on the side step, closing the feet and lowering down, and again, down, up, down. So you can try that right away. Now, if you're absolute beginner, maybe you're not ready to do this up and down yet, that's okay. Then just focus on getting just the step, okay? Just like this, just the box pattern, that's fine. When you get a little bit more comfortable with it, you want to go up and down as well. Now let's turn around, and we're gonna show you same thing from another angle. Again, weight on the right, left foot free for both of us for now. And now we're gonna go forward left, side with the right, close left foot to right foot, back, side, close. Every time we close the feet, we switch the feet as well. So right now, when we close, we don't want to just close. We want to switch so that, you know, our left heel comes up, ready to go. Okay, that's the free leg. So we go forward, side, close. Now, when we close, we switch. So the right heel comes up, and it's ready to go. So we go back, side, close, switch, forward, side, switch, back, side, switch. With the counts, it's 1, 2, 3. All even beats. We go 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, now let's show you how to dance it together, and then we're also going to show you how to do it to the music. Now for together, let's show it like this first. We're going to face each other, and without even the hold. Now, the main thing is that now Zhenya is going to start from the back half of the box, okay? Leaders, we're going to do the same thing. We start forward, left, exactly what I just taught you. But now the followers, you're doing the same step, but you're starting from the back half of the box. So Zhenya is going to have her weight on the left, right foot free, and she's going to go back, side, close. And then she goes forward, side, close. It's the same thing, all right? One more time. So she goes back with the right this time. I go forward left, she goes forward left, I go back with the right, yes? And then we get the hold, and with the hold, what we want to do here is this arm is going to be at the follower's eye level, so bring it up to Zhenya's eye level. This one is on her shoulder blade, and then Zhenya puts it like right here, just beneath my shoulder area, and we're both going to be looking kind of to the left, okay? And that's it. Now from here, we're going to be lowering. So the lead for this, we're going to be lowering on the standing leg. My standing leg is my right leg, and Zhenya's leg is left. And then I'm going to be preparing to move forward. And I kind of press my weight and my spine forward through the whole body. And 1. Okay? That's what you want to think about. So we prepare, lowering down, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And we're going to show you another angle here. Again, you can see Zhenya is going to go back on her right. I go forward with my left. I'm going to lower down. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. All right, now let's do this one with music. All right, with music, so remember you hold, we have this one at our eye level, and then this side here, we're just like this, looking to our left. I'm gonna count you in. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Remember to switch your feet when you close the feet and you lower down. I'm gonna switch. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Let's show another angle. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Hopefully you got that first basic move down. If you're liking this video, please give us a like, share it with a friend. Also, if you want to get access to all of our waltz lessons, as well as all our other dances, Latin dances, ballroom dances, we've got them all on our website at passionfordancing.com. So if you become a member, you'll get access to all of them. So check us out.